Hey out there all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by that box with the skull on there and the Kershaw logo, you know we're going to take a look at something by Emerson. I freaking love these series, I seriously truly do, and yeah, I'm trying to collect them all. But still, stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to get into all the fun. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I got a quick couple of little housekeeping things to get out the way before we get to the fun. If you like what you're about to see, please hit that thumbs up. You're going to show support for the channel. Now if you're under the age of 13, please stop watching this video right now. I really don't want a COPPA violation because you are watching this video. Now, for the last little bit, I want to talk to you first-time viewers on my channel real quick. I want to thank all of you for finding this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered that you chose mine. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I'm sorry, I should have taken this out earlier, but I didn't. So forgive me as I stumble through this. For you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel have yet to subscribe, here's first chance. Look right down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please enjoy the rest of this video. I know I was getting on a ramble there, but still. So, okay. Inside the box, as you know, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw CQC-7K, which basically stands for Close Quarters Combat 7 Kilo. They just basically teach you about the wave feature. And I'm going to describe that as well. And just the usual stuff from Kershaw about, hey, you got yourself a new knife. Okay, guys. Here she is. The CQC-7K. It is an Ernest Emerson design manufactured by Kershaw. I love these things because they are designed to help you out in a jam real freaking quick. The wave feature is beautiful, but you gotta be careful when you're taking it out of your pocket because your blade might bite you on accident. I love the overall look to it, I love the feel, and yes, I really do love the size for a quick, easy self-defense weapon. Now, let's get into the fun stuff, okay? It's got an overall length of 7.75 inches. The blade is 3.25, and closed it's 4.50. It has a pretty neat weight to it at 5.09 ounces. Plain edge, hollow grind, Tonto style blade, and it's 8CR14 MOV with a satin finish. You guys know I love satin and stonewash finishes the most on my channel. Now you have one black G10 scale with a stainless steel frame that they kind of gave a bit of a neat finish to as well. Now you do have a left hand, right hand carry option that is only tip up. You really don't want this tip down because, well, it's designed to get out of your pocket and get ready really quick. Now, it's got the thumb disc or the wave opening, and I'll explain that in a moment. Alright? Frame lock, lanyard hole, and it is made in China. Alright, now let's get this one squared away. The frame lock, I should say the wave feature, is designed to basically, it's going to catch your pocket when it's opening, and I'm using paracord to, help display that. And when you're pulling it out, oops, sorry, as I knock the camera. Try that again without hitting the camera. So, like I said, you're pulling it out, and your blade is, well, ready to go. Sorry, as I went off screen again. Or, you have the simple, okay, no big deal going on. But if you have a problem, you've got the wave feature to help pull that out and get it going quick. Alright, now that I've already got the paracord and shown that, let's start where we usually do. Heavy-duty stock paper. Ooh. What the heck? Might have to spot that one out. It feels a little flat right there. Let's see if we can get a curly cue. Okay, yep. No biggie. Alright. Yeah, it needs to be stropped. Can you see those yellow flecks everywhere? Needs to be stropped. Alright, so slice test. No problem. Well, I should say pull test. Here's the slice test. Yeah, no problem. and our dying friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. That sounded weird going through. I don't know if you guys heard that. That whoop. Okay, well, I must have cleared it off, but still. All right, so I found it in 3 different areas. On Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $34.13. Over on Kershaw, it's $69.29. And Blade HQ is $39.95. It's been reviewed 329 times on Amazon for a 4.25 out of 5. Kershaw, it's got 16 reviews for 5 out of 5, and 12 reviews on Blade HQ for 4.25 out of 5 stars. Not bad. Okay, but here's the important part of the video, and this is seriously where I have the most fun. I want to know your questions, comments, love. Not coughing, but questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I want to know if you've used any of these by Kershaw in the Close Quarters series. You know, do you have any successes? Do you have any failures? Do you have any of that fun stuff with it? I also want to know, do you think it's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? You know, I really want to know. I like these things. I've liked the whole set, and I've rather enjoyed carrying them. Seriously, I really have. But let's get that wrap up going. Now, if you're first-time viewers of the channel, like I said at the very beginning of the video, I want to thank you so much for giving me some of your time. It means the world to me that you chose this video, and man, I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If not, thank you for your time, and I'll try to do better the very next time. Now, for you first-time viewers who didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe as well. First question is why, and second is to direct you right down here. You're going to see a little channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the notification icon that's right by it, or the bell icon, whatever you want to call it. Why? Well, simple. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Kershaw CQC-7K. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.